The words we speak have power. The vibrations that come forth from our mouths can produce beautiful sounds, but they can also create chaos and discord. I was recently asked to be a keynote speaker for a youth summit, and I decided to use this very topic on the power of our words to encourage and empower both the youth and adults who were listening to take the words that they use each day a little more seriously. During my research on this topic, I was looking for visual examples of how our words can hurt and how our words can heal. What I found was so eye-opening, I wanted to share it with you. I came across a video created as part of an anti-bullying campaign that demonstrates in a tangible way just how impactful our words can be. In the experiment, they took two identical plants and placed them in identical conditions. Both were given the same amount of water, light, and food. The only difference was that one plant listened to a recording done by youth of negative, discouraging, hurtful words, and the other listened to positive, loving, and uplifting words. Take a look at the results after just 1 week. They are an undeniable visual example of how the words we hear each day can impact us. I'll include the link in the description of this video so you can watch the entire experiment for yourself. Another study I came across involved looking at how the vibrations of our words create visual images in water. A scientist in Japan by the name of Dr. Emoto took bottles of water and froze them after having spoken various words over them. Here are the images that he found. Take a look at the harmonious and rhythmic patterns created by the uplifting, hope-filled words such as love and gratitude, compared to those from the harsh, negative words such as idiot or fool. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? And what's even more amazing for all of us to realize is that our very bodies are composed of over 60% water. So the words we speak, as well as the words we hear, impact us more than we may ever know and fully comprehend. This should motivate us all to reflect on what we're surrounding ourselves with each day. From the messages in the media that we choose to listen to the people that we surround ourselves with. They all speak words that impact our minds and our bodies. Remember, we were each given an instrument to play, so let's choose to make some beautiful music with it. Now that's something to think about. And here's something to smile about. Thanks for joining me today.